Did you know that one of the first signs of the warmer weather is smaller Stitch Fix boxes? So let's see what's in this one. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. I'm Andrea and I like to unbox subscription clothing boxes. I like to shop and try on clothes for you. And yeah, if you like that kind of content, then I hope you will hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that we can hang out for the regular in the long haul. Yes, let's see, what else? Stitch Fix is a subscription styling service. They will style a box of 5 items for you for $20, and you keep what you want, send back what you don't want. They will apply that $20 to any purchase you make. However, if you do not make any purchases, then you will lose out on that. If you've not tried Stitch Fix before, then I will leave my link below and you can try it and get $25 off your first fix. Okay, so they send you an envelope to return things. They send you a note from your stylist. And my last fix, I have a stylist named Marcia, and I've had her for a couple of years, and she was not my stylist last time, and I was in a panic, but she told me that she was just on vacation, so I should have Marcia back. All right. So there, we have got some pink and black and looks like maybe a light gray, red, and a pretty blue. So they send you a preview of 10 items and you can choose up to 5. They had been doing a thing where they were letting you choose up to 8, but the last time they didn't ask me if I wanted to do that. And I chose 2 things. I chose those pink pants and I think I chose the blue top. Hey, unbundling. I do want to take just a minute to thank you very much for watching my video. I really do appreciate it when you watch my video, leave comments, help me grow my channel, subscribe, all those things. It's very, very much appreciated. Okay, on top, we have a 41 Hawthorn, very pretty blue top with some ruffling around the neck and Flutter sleeves. And this is the short sleeve blouse by 41 Hawthorn. They're calling it navy. I would call that more of a royal blue. And the buttons are gold. And it looks like one is actually a little bit worn. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. It's that very crepey polyester, which I am just not a huge fan of it. And you never know. When something says that it's polyester, you just never know what it's going to feel like. So that's why I went ahead and asked for this. It's 97% recycled polyester and 3% spandex. So I will try it on, but I can already tell you I don't like how it feels. Next up, we have something by NIC+ZOE, the Easy Day to Night blouse in red. And it is, I'm looking to see if there's any buttons. There are no buttons. It's this pretty red color. It's got a little bit of gathered smocking in the back and the nice V-neck that I like. This feels nice, and I'm gonna bet that it probably is polyester as well. Yep, 100% polyester. So these are both primarily polyester, and they just feel very, very different. And I like this, but NIC+ZOE just tends to be really pricey, so we'll have to see. All right, up next is GILLI, the Flutter sleeve knit tee in light gray. And it's just a crew neck with maybe the sleeves are gonna be a little fluttery. I'm not a huge fan of gray. It's really soft though. Let's see what it's made of. 76% rayon, 19 polyester, and 5% spandex. So there's that. Lucy is yelling at the door, hold on. So this is my kitty, Lucy, if you haven't seen her before. Somebody actually asked that I put her on camera. She likes to come in when I film. So Marcia said she was styling my Nuxe Fix, but I am gonna be surprised if she did, because this is a very distressed studio blue denim, black denim jacket. I mean, there is distressing around the collar, on the back, and I don't do distressing at all, ever, 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 ever. Studio blue Jamie boyfriend jacket in black. And then there's the pants that I chose. And these are by Cosmic Blue Love. I have a couple pairs of Cosmic Blue Love. The Callie Echo Skinny Cuffed Chino Pant in purple. I wonder if I already have these. Yeah, if I don't have them in this exact color, I have them in something very similar. All right, let's take a look at this note. Yeah, it was not Marcia. Hi, Andrea. My name is Matthew, and I'm so excited to be your new stylist. I wanted to thank you for participating in the Fix preview, and I hope I was able to round out your Fix nicely. I noticed your request for a candy apple red blazer and straight white jeans, and I'm sorry we couldn't find those exact pieces for this Fix. I will keep a lookout for them on your next one. I think a pair of pants is perfect for any season, and these cuffed Cosmic Blue Love chino pants are great for those more casual days. How do you like the fit? Pair the pants with the Flutter sleeve GILLI knit tee for a nice everyday look. When you want a slightly dressier feel, try the super fun NIC+ZOE blouse. It will be fantastic for so many different occasions. I'd like to hear your thoughts on your Fix today. I hope you like the pieces. Enjoy, Matthew. I don't know what to say. I'm really disappointed that Marcia did not style me, because I know she would not have sent this, and I will try it on for you, but I am 100% sure that I'm not going to keep it. Okay, not the best start, but yeah, you know, it's a Stitch Fix box, and there will be another one. I will show you my outfit of the day, and then we'll try this stuff on. So today I am wearing an outfit mostly by Stitch Fix. So the joggers, I am pretty sure these are by Splendid. And they're really nice, comfortable. I've got some fuzzies going on. Comfortable material. This side has this, is a different type of material. It's like stretchy, fine ribbing. And I dressed it up with this Lavapella cardigan. And it's got pockets and slits, and it's a lacy kind of, I think they call it pointelle design. And then the top is this navy and white polka dot by Daniel Rain. The shoes are, let's see, Italian shoemakers that I got at DSW. And it was warmer today. Saturday morning, I woke up to 6 inches of snow, and it snowed lightly all day long, but it is the middle of April, and snow was gone by the end of yesterday. So today was a lovely day in the sunny 70s. And yeah, that's the way Colorado weather is this time of year. So I went and I got a pedicure, and that's why I was wearing flippies. So just come up. This one thing that bugs me about this top is it's a split neck and it flops down on this side. Somebody told me how to fix that, and I cannot remember. So if you were that person, would you remind me again? All right, this is my outfit today. Let's go ahead and try some clothes on. Okay, to start, I have got the top on by, I think GILLI was the one who makes this one. And then these are the Cosmic Blue Love chino pants. And I don't have this exact color. And I actually had a pair of, I want to say it was Liverpool jeans that was in this kind of, it's almost like they're calling it purple, but it's like a dusty pink. And I actually ended up giving those away because I decided I just didn't love the color. So let's talk about pants first. Okay, so they are a cuffed chino. They are a pretty skinny fit. That's them from the back. So it has think these are, no, just fake pockets, and then of course the regular pockets in the front. You can see those pockets, the outline. And you know, the waist is comfortable, so I wouldn't want to size up, but I have another pair, and what I do is I just kind of flip them up like that because I didn't notice them when I bought them, but because I am noticing it this time, that's going to make these a no. And also I'm kind of conflicted about this color. Yeah, they're okay, but not keepers. Let's talk about the top. So the top has got these kind of flowy sleeves, the crew neck. It is this light gray color. This is what it's like out. It feels, it feels discordant to me. The sleeves don't seem to go with the neck, and I don't know. So the top, it's a no. There's nothing about it that excites me. I do have some tops like that with kind of fluttery sleeves. These seem bigger than what I have, but I kind of don't like anything about it. So let's try on that jacket. So while Matthew is a new stylist, so he may not know my preferences, I do have it noted in my profile that I never wear distressed denim. So arms are long, but they could be cuffed up. I mean, it fits okay. I wasn't really on the lookout for a black denim jacket, and I don't wear distressing, ever. Certainly not this distressed. Sometimes, like if it's just on the edge of the pocket, that doesn't bother me, but more than that, and this has just got holes all over the place. I'm sorry, you guys. I don't mean to be negative, but I am just really disappointed that Marcia did not style me, and that I got sent something that I've said I don't ever wear. So let's keep on going. All right, I had to show you when I went to put this on the hanger. The hanger went through one of the areas of distressing. Gotta laugh. Next up is this, I think this was 41 Hawthorn. Beautiful, beautiful color. I like the style. I like the, you know, ruffled neck, little fluttery sleeves. You can see these sleeves aren't as voluminous as the last ones were. Like the gold buttons, hate the material. It is that crepey material that's kind of itchy, and yeah, that's from the side, from the back. It does come down kind of low, which just shows not a terribly flattering part of my arm. If this had been in a different material, even a mixed material, I probably would have kept it, but I think based on the type of material it is, and I just like feeling it against my arm, I don't like it, so I think this is gonna go back as well. All right, let's try on that last red top. So next up we have this NIC+ZOE red, it's just a sleeveless top, and this material just feels so much nicer, and yet it is 100% polyester. So I'm not averse to wearing polyester, but it has to feel nice. So it's got the V-neck, little pleating there, obviously sleeveless. It's got like a split there. It's sewn down here. There's no buttons. Got that gathering detail in the back, which gives it a little bit more shape. It's okay. I mean, it's a pretty color red. I like the material. I like portions of the design elements, but it's pretty basic, and I know it's going to be pricey because it's NIC+ZOE. So we'll find out, but unless this is a screaming good deal, I'm going to say that I probably won't be keeping this either. So let's go ahead and do prices and a recap. Well, that was a box. All right, let's do prices. So the NIC+ZOE Easy Day to Night blouse in red is $88. And I liked it, but I certainly didn't like it $88 worth. For top to be almost $100, I would have to just love it, and I did not. So that's going back. I'm gonna actually make things easy for myself and just put everything right in the envelope. Okay, the EUNINA Jamie boyfriend jacket in black by Cut From The Cloth. Was it Cut From The Cloth? Studio Blue. $78. Like, why send something that has so much distressing to someone who says, I don't wear distressed denim? So that's going back. And next up we have the 4-to-1 Hawthorn Mickey Flutter sleeve blouse. They're calling it, oh, this is blue. This says blue. On the tag it said navy. This is $59, and while I loved things about it, I hated the material. So that's gonna go back. Next up we have the Cosmic Blue Love Callie Eco Skinny Cuffed in purple. These are $88. They're going back because they were thin and the pockets showed through, and I'm just not sure how I feel about that color. And then last we have the GILLI Crystal Flutter Sleeve Knit Tee in light gray. Didn't like anything about this, and it is $35, which is super reasonable. I mean, it's a tee with some, you know, stylish elements. Stylist pick subtotal is $348. If you buy all 5 items, you do get that 25% discount, which would take off $87, bringing it down to $261. This says that this is fixed number 90 for me, coming up on 100. Yes, it's all going back, and fingers crossed that next time Marsha will style me. But you know, I have been on the fence about ordering a front door fashion box just because they tend to be pricier. But I think I am gonna, as soon as I'm done with this video, go pull the trigger and order a front door fashion. And I have some items coming in at the end of the week from Old Navy. And I'll do, you know, a little video about that. I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope you're having warm weather and staying safe. And until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.